Foldable Wig Stand. The folding height of mannequin head stand is only 17-inch, mini and save space, more convenient to move and carry, and it includes T-pins, wig caps, salon hair clips, styling comb, perfect for making wigs. Sturdy Wig Stand Tripod. The maximum width of wig head stand is up to 16-inch, it can close to the surface, it is sturdier than other stands, you don't doubt its stability, it will be you the most stable mannequin stand tripod. Upgraded height. This wig stand has 3 adjustable height knobs. The height of retractable mannequin stand can adjust from 17 to 56. You can adjust the height at your own will, and use it while sitting or standing. Professional wig stand. The mannequin head stand is perfect for most of mannequin head, canvas wig head, etc. This wig tripod stand is very easy to assemble and work with, handy and sturdy for storing, trim, curl, dye or straighten wigs, hair extensions. 360 degrees rotation. This wig head stand has sturdy solid head ball. 360 degrees free motion design makes it easy and convenient to mount a wig on top. You can tilt the wig in different directions. It's great for teaching demonstrations or home wig making. Upgraded mannequin head stand. Foldable. The folding height of wig stand tripod is only 17-inch, mini and save space, more convenient to move and carry. Sturdier. The maximum width of mannequin stand is up to 16-inch, it can close to the surface, it is sturdier than other stands. Upgraded height. This wig head stand has 3 adjustable height knobs. The height of retractable mannequin stand can adjust from 17 to 56. Top reviews from the United States. Faith. Lost faith in some of the products, wigs, that I've bought. They didn't look anything like the ad. This product has renewed my faith. It's everything they purport it to be. I am just getting started with trying to style my wigs, and this stand makes me feel more comfortable about doing it.